Happy Friday Eve, my warriors and beautiful souls. How you guys doing today? Now, for Thursday's tips, I'm going to do it in a little different fashion because I'm not doing too good. So I need to just get this part out and then let you guys go so you can enjoy your weekend. FA and FO will be postponed. So I will be doing some more for March. Okay, let's talk about sacred exchange and mutual flow. Just give an overview of what happened and what we can keep in our minds during this weekend moving forward. Remember, energy is currency. Every conversation, touch, favor, commitment, and thought is an exchange. In conscious connection, there is no chasing and no draining, only mutual flow. When you overgive, you disrupt divine order. When you refuse to receive, you block abundance. When you hold back out of fear, you interrupt circulation. Sacred exchange is not 50-50. It's aligned receptivity. Some days you pour, some days you are poured into. But over time, the flow balances itself naturally when both people are conscious. Here is the spiritual truth most avoid. If you feel exhausted in connection, you are likely abandoning yourself. If you feel unseen, you may not be expressing your truth. If you feel resentful, you are giving from obligation and not alignment. Mutual flow requires emotional responsibility, clear boundaries, honest communication, willingness to receive. Today's practice: pause before you give. Ask yourself, am I giving from overflow or from fear of losing this connection? Your ancestors understood something powerful. What you tolerate energetically becomes your pattern spiritually. Correct the pattern, restore the flow, honor the exchange. You are not here to beg for reciprocity. You are here to embody it. All right. Have a wonderful weekend. Now, before I let you go, another reminder: rest, rejuvenate, and release what no longer serves you. Take that moment and just release into the energies around you. Go outside. Around here, we got a lot of snow and we might get another snowstorm. So enjoy the moment when it's not snowing, or just get out there and be a little kid again and go to the park and sled and just have some fun. Now, if you are just going to stay low key, stay in, get that reading in, or catch up on the Netflix, which that's a little too much because remember, we don't want to take in too much negative information with the movies. I'm not being a Debbie Downer, but that's getting into the energies around. So we just cleaned it out. We don't need to muddy up again. So just take the moment to just relax. Go within. Journal what you have learned from January till now. What are some of the things you notice within you and around you? Are you going to implement the guided meditations, or would you join a club and do group guided meditation, or go out there and tap into other information that you can use that will help you during your personal and spiritual journey? All right, guys, take care. Let me just get off and just decompress from the energies that are around, and I will see you next week. Until we meet again, take care, God bless, and get out there and enjoy yourselves. Mwah. Bye bye.